In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Framer to Figma. By the end, you'll have your Framer design brought into Figma as editable layers, ready for refinement and handoff. Start by heading to framer.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your work from your dashboard, open the project you want to move, and go straight to the canvas. This ensures you're looking at the latest version and can publish exactly what you intend to import. Next, click Publish in Framer. You'll typically find this at the top right. Publishing generates a live URL for your project, which is what Figma will use to read and convert the page. Wait a moment for the publish to complete. When the link appears, right-click directly on that link and choose Copy Link Address. This guarantees you capture the full, correct URL, including any path or parameters, rather than a shortened or partial link. Now switch over to Figma.com and open the file where you want the design to land. It can be an existing project or a fresh file. The process is the same. On the right side of Figma, open the HTML to Design panel. This is the tool that converts a live web page into editable Figma layers, so you don't have to manually rebuild layouts from screenshots. Inside HTML to Design, choose Web as the source. This tells the tool to pull from a standard website URL rather than a local file or another source. Click into the URL field and paste the Framer link you just copied. Give it a quick glance to confirm it looks complete and points to the correct page or route. Click Import to begin the conversion. Depending on the complexity of your Framer page and your connection's speed, this may take a little time. The tool will fetch the page, analyze the structure, and translate it into frames, groups, text layers, and images that Figma understands. When the import is ready, click. Proceed to place the converted content into your canvas. At this point, your Framer design is in Figma. Expect some differences. Web-to-design conversions often flatten certain effects, swap fonts if they're unavailable, or group elements differently than your original. This is normal. Take a moment to tidy up layers, relink or replace missing fonts, organize colors into styles, and check spacing and the constraints and responsive behavior. If you used interactive elements in Framer, remember they'll come across as static layers here, so plan to recreate interactions using Figma's prototyping tools if needed. That's it. You've published from Framer, copied the live link, and imported it into Figma using HTML to Design.